Here is how to make an easy paper weaving. Start by printing the template onto a colorful piece of paper. Starting from the bottom, cut up until you get to the top horizontal line. Next, weave paper strips over, under, and then push all the way up to the top. Then flip your paper over and put glue underneath the edges of the strips. For your second strip, you need to put it in the opposite of the way you did your first strip. So if you put it over, under, you need to do it the opposite way. Under, over. The next step is to put glue underneath all of the pieces that stick up. Anything that flaps up will need some glue. Then you will take your scissors and trim off the edges. Then you can staple or glue the weaving to a background and use colorful materials to make designs on the outsides. All of the products that I've used I will link in the notes below. The final step is to add things like feathers, stickers, foam shapes, and other designs to your picture. This is also a fun time to break out the sequins and the glitter. My favorite grade to do this with is first grade. I find that they are capable of the challenge and they are excited to try this technique. One last thing to note is that I have the free template linked below. I hope you have fun with this project. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.